Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through fixing a TP-Link router that shows no internet access. Start by checking your modem and router. Make sure both devices are powered on. The power light should be solid. If the modem or router shows unusual blinking lights, unplug both devices. First unplug the modem, wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in. Wait until all modem lights are stable, plug the router back in and wait 2 minutes. Next, check all cables. The cable from the modem must go into the WAN or internet port on the TP-Link router. This port is usually blue. Make sure the cable is not loose or damaged. Now connect your phone or computer to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 or 1.1 in the address bar. Log in using your router username and password. If you never changed it, the default is usually admin for both fields. Once inside the settings, go to the Internet or Network section. Look for WN type or Internet connection type. This must match what your internet provider uses. If your ISP uses Dynamic IP, select Dynamic IP. If they require a username and password, select PPPoE and enter the details given by your ISP. If your ISP provided fixed IP details, choose static IP and enter the exact values they gave you. After that, go to Advanced Settings, then Network, then DHCP Server. Find DNS settings. Change DNS to manual. Enter 8888 as the primary DNS and 1111 as the secondary DNS. Save the settings and reboot the router. Wait for the router to restart and test your internet connection. If the issue remains, contact your internet provider. Thanks for watching.